डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिस्टिक फाइंड करने के लिए हम SPSS को भी यूज़ करेंगे एंड वी विल यूज़ आल्सो द एक्सेल प्रोग्राम and SPSS there are steps are already written. Open the SPSS program. इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्म एनालिसिस में जाएंगे, ठीक है। लेकिन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम डाटा एंट्री का मेथड देखेंगे कि डाटा किस तरह एंटर करेंगे। तो आइए पहले डाटा एंट्री करते हैं। यहाँ पे जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट बॉटम में दो वेरिएबल्स होते हैं, एक डाटा व्यू है और एक वेरिएबल व्यू है, ठीक है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल गो टू वेरिएबल व्यू एंड mention the names of variable. Let's suppose we have y and another we have x variable. So click on save button, then save it. After that you will click on the cross button and no. Okay, and then come to the data view, and data view you will see the y and x variable. Just putting here the numerical values. You can put numerical values by typing manually, or you can, if you have already saved it, then copy from that place. Copy and paste, Control V, paste. Okay, now you have the data. We can perform the descriptive statistic as first we will save this, cross no. Now we are interested to analyze the descriptive statistic. So go through analyze button, then descriptive statistic, again descriptive statistic. Put y, this arrow sign, and y become on the variable section like this. X is also here. There is an option menu. What you want to know about standard deviation, minimum, maximum, variance, it is up to you, but I recommend you don't check these things. Just go and click the OK button. You will find a dialog box where you can find that y has number of observation 10 and minimum and maximum value is this, mean value is this, and standard deviation is this, and y is also this. Just click on the box and copy this, paste it in a Word format. Okay, just click on here to make more better look. This we can do on through SPSS. Now in Excel we can do the same thing in Excel like that. Go through on the data, and data you have to go data analysis, and data analysis there is a descriptive statistic. Okay, just put OK, and you will select the columns from 70 to 60. Okay, don't mention, or you can mention from y and x also. Just check on the label first row and then output. For output you make a cursor anywhere you want the result and just put OK. Now you can see these results, and make some changes, copy it and paste it in the Word. Now you can see that both the results are same, like standard deviation is this, mean value is 116 and 170, like that. Okay, this we can did through SPSS and through Excel program.